Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi pun syangi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei kum kawai ni kijaka penmi pisa lene kijaka penlang pisa hapok kari India kebangitip kum ka Reserve Bank of India Kalapenlong da ka mega campaign for saturation FI schemes jongga gram panchayat kabalapenlong ha Balawan College Hari Bhoi district haga jingi trilang bat ke State Bank of India jongga jela haga ni kesngi kalapen sa pai baru sepang ki scheme baper bat ke jing don kam jong ki pai ba ha ki bank kum ke jing penon kam ye ke KYC ke jing pli ye ke account ha po ki bank ke jing pensai ru sepang ke insurance lembat kiwe Hagan ngasngi lapan long ru ke jing pen sung thu pajba halor ki kam thok ne ki jing sha dawa pisa da ki riu shimet lane ki company lane ki bangi je khot kum ka frat hagan ngasngi lawan bat pensai pajba ya ka mega campaign for saturation FI schemes jong ka gram panchayat da u Niraj Nigam u de executive director ka Reserve Bank of India bat u balalong kum kongsan hagan ngasngi haga jing idan lang jong ki nong trai ka Reserve Bank of India Lemru bat Vice Principal ke Balawan College ki SSG ki long kemi ki long kpa ki khun samla ki khna pule lembat kiwe
Okay, ready? Come with whatever construction we see around us. The progress will come only when people in our villages, who are living in the villages are financially self-sufficient. When I say self-sufficient, I do not mean rich. I mean they should be able to earn enough not only to sustain but provide good education to their children, have sufficient money to meet their emergency needs, and of course live comfortably. From where it will come? Obviously government jobs will not be there. So the people who are engaged in agriculture, they should have enough resources to engage with their agriculture. People, more importantly, the people who are engaged with agriculture and other agriculture allied activities, so to say. The activities which are not agriculture but somehow related to the small businesses in the rural areas, the produce that is being the things which are being produced by the people, whether they are able to sell them properly, whether they are able to produce them properly. So that is where financial inclusion becomes important, because for all of these you all need to have bank accounts. Because bank is one place where you can keep your saving, and more importantly you can obtain loan when you really need it. So two things important: one, having an account where you can keep your savings, which will come handy to you whenever it is needed. And second, once you have a relationship, a long-standing relationship with the bank will feel comfortable in extending credit to you for your needs. So these two things are very important. That is why we in Reserve Bank believe, and the banks which are here today, they also believe that every citizen of the country must have a bank account. Bank accounts, I believe, must have been opened by now, but particularly those who are adults. But then we have to take it to the next level. For taking it to the next level, Government of India has launched certain schemes. Primarily, I hope in your camps you are covering the PMJJBY and SBY and Atal Pension Yojana. So there are primarily three schemes. What we call them social security schemes. One is Suraksha Bima Yojana, which provides coverage from accidental injuries or accidental death. Other is life insurance, Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, and third is Atal Pension Yojana. So the camps that we are trying to organize, or rather we are organizing, are focused towards these. And the second aspect is there, equally important, when your accounts are more than 10-year-old, KYC, know your customer exercise, has to be conducted again. Why it has to be conducted again? Because it has to be verified whether the right person in whose name account was opened is still operating the account. Because otherwise, frauds happen. When frauds happen, then it is our money which is at risk. So these four are the focus areas of these camps which we are organizing.
Please let it registered at 1930 so the damage can be minimized, damage can be contained. So all my best wishes, I wish that all of you would take advantage of this camp, spread the work, because it is kind of campaign rather than camp, I would say. So we hope, we trust that every one of you will approach to your neighbor one, your villagers who is not present here. So take those advantage of this thing about re-KYC or opening of new accounts or social security scheme. Because a large number of women present here, so I will be failing in my duty if I don't cover these SHGs, the Savan Siddha where we are targeting individual SHGs, those accounts conducts are good. Please avail those loans and make sure that this new generation who is sitting here, our kids, they get good education and they also flourish in their life.
The schemes of the insurance. So I just want to share one information as to we have been given the target to all the banks in Meghalaya, and Meghalaya being a area. So from MRP I just wanted to share what we have done to improve the financial inclusion. We thought that language should not be the barrier for a person to get the financial products or the services. So at MRP we have done it. So we have made our micro ATMs in the local language. So if a person who is a Khasi wants to do a transaction in a Khasi, he can do it. The slip will come out in the local language. If a person is illiterate, so we have made that machine voice enabled. So the machine will tell the person as to what he has come for, what he is doing it, what is the balance in his account. So we have appointed nearly some more than 150 CSPs with those machines, with the passbook printers. Being a very tough geography, people are not find it very difficult to reach to the branches. So now these CSPs are sitting with the passbook printers. So they are providing these services. So going ahead, I request everyone to please use these saturation camps. So regarding the targets, MRP has already achieved the targets for, maybe for PMJDY we have achieved the yearly target, not only the saturation, the JJBY also, but I assure you that we are not stopping here. Like for PMJDY, we are nearing to 200% of the target given to us. Still 1 month left and we are working on that, and we assure that more and more people will be brought into the coverage of these schemes, which are very a good scheme. Don't take insurance as if why it is required. If you are not taking insurance, you have to think about your family. Basically, insurance is what you want to provide your family, the level of life or the comfort which they are enjoying in your presence. So not saying much.
Pidankam projector ban peni film ne pidankam projector nak bentaki awareness program jompi phone singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru yue ar nyau lai